can see my facial expression, I was not expecting that. I was not expecting the shampoo bar to lather up like that. This is my first time ever using a shampoo bar, so I was like kind of skeptical, like, is it going to work? But my hair, and this is the first shampoo, and my hair lathered up so well. My scalp feels amazing. Like, my curls are coming through. Come through, 4C her. So I'm going to shampoo the rest of my hair off camera. I'm going to shampoo my hair twice, and I will be right back. I'll be back. And I'm back. Skin looking marvelous, honey. Yes. Yes. Just look at all this chocolate. Chocolate. Brace yourselves. Oh, I'm so hot. I just might melt. We have their hair mask. And there we go. We have their hair mask. And it's called the Bahar. I'm gonna put it down below because I don't know how to pronounce it and I don't want to say it wrong. I'm going to apply this to my hair and let it sit for 45 minutes. Okay. Oh, we all love a good smelling hair product, and my backdrop is white. Everything's white. The product is white, but it's really thick and creamy. Ooh, yes. Look at that. Yes, look at that texture. So we're going to go ahead and apply this. So I'm looking bad on camera, so we just going to apply this, okay? We just going to apply this all. Oh, ooh. Okay, this is my hair. After I fully applied it, it has semi-good slip. It feels really good on my hair, but we will see how it is after I rinse out my hair. I went ahead and blow dried my hair off camera, so I have a little light blowout because my hair is the shrinkage is so real. And if I do my hair on wet hair, if I do my styles on wet hair, it's like really shrunken and it takes a few days to get bigger, and I don't like that. Okay, so to style my hair, I'm going to be using the I'm going to be using the mango casting twisting cream. And also I will be using a dab of the Silky Aloe curl pudding. Okay. And I'm going to do a chunky twist out, and I'm just going to put different color rods on the end because I like big curls, little curls, small curls. Okay, so I'm going to I always do these two twists smaller than the rest of my head. I don't know why, but I'm taking like medium size pieces of hair, and I'm applying the Silky Aloe curl pudding first. It has like a thick consistency. See? It has like a thick consistency. I really like that. And it smells really, really good. Like really, really good. And I just work that through. And then I'm going to add some of the mango twisting cream. This consistency is way much softer, and I'm going to put that on my ends so that my ends can be smooth around the rod. And after I do that, I just comb the products through, and then I do a regular 2-strand twist. And I do about halfway. Can you see that? I do about halfway. I have that much hair left. And then I take the perm rod and I just wrap the ends around it. See? Look at that. Okay, y'all, so it's the next day. I let my hair dry overnight. I like to make sure that my hair is very dry because sometimes when it's wet, and it's not wet, it's just like damp from the product. But I like to make sure that it's thoroughly dry. Okay, so I'm going to coat my hands with an oil after I take my rods out, and then I'm going to separate the twist, and then we're going to take it from there. So wish me luck. Okay, y'all, this is the final result of my hair. And I have to say, I love my hair, y'all. I love my hair. And I don't want to seem biased because I'm working with this company, but y'all know I keep it real. I keep it 100 when it comes to my channel, okay? And just because I'm working with a company, that doesn't mean I'm not gonna give you my honest opinion. That's not how we roll on Shanise Nicole. Ooh, I like that. Ooh, I should consider being a rapper. But anyways, back to my hair. I am loving these results, y'all. These results are thebomb.com. Like, these two products right here is the bomb together, and look at what it created. So we gotta shout out to the natural gods today because Bask and Bloom came through, okay? And I just want to sing a church song like Amazing Grace. I just wanted to sing to y'all, but no, those two products together was the bomb to achieve this twist and curl. All of the products that I used today will be listed down in the description box below. If you have any comments or any questions for me, drop them down below, and you guys know I will talk back to you. If you haven't already, I feel like we go through this every video. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe. Like, yo, what you waiting for? What you waiting for? Like, no, seriously, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It's somewhere down there because I know you see it. And if you are subscribed, make sure that you hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any upcoming uploads, okay? So as always, I thank you guys for watching. I thank you guys for supporting me, and hopefully I'll see you in the next video. Peace.